In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Mad World by Jules. This song will be using 4 chords. I'm going to be teaching it to you in the key of E minor. The song's originally in F minor, so if you'd like to play along with the recording, you just got to take a capo and you got to put it on the first fret and you'll be good to go. So the first chord you're going to need is an E minor. So for this one, you take your middle finger, it will go on the 2nd fret of the A string. Your ring finger will go on the 2nd fret of the D string, and you'll play all 6 strings. Next chord you're going to need is an A major chord. This one, your pointer finger will go on the 2nd fret of the D string, middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the B string, and you'll play the bottom 5 strings. Next chord is a G major chord. So for this one, your ring finger will go on the 3rd fret of the low E string, the 6th string there. Your middle finger will go on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your pinky will go on the 3rd fret of the high E string, and you'll play all 6 strings. The last chord you're going to need is a D major chord. So for this one, you take your middle finger, it goes on the 2nd fret of the high E string, ring finger will go on the 3rd fret of the B string, and pointer finger will go on the 2nd fret of the G string. You'll play the bottom 4 strings. Now, the chord progression for this song is fairly straightforward. It will go, the intro is E minor, A, E minor, A. And then it switches into the verse, you go E minor, G, D, A, and that repeats. And then when you get to the chorus, it goes back to that same pattern as the intro, where it goes in E minor, A. So the strum pattern for this song, it's a little tricky because it's written on piano, so there's not like a clear strum pattern to do. What I've picked out and sort of what I try to play when I play with the song is, so you do on the quarter notes. So it's the low strings, high strings, low strings, high strings. Twice, and G, the D again twice, A, and you repeat that for the verse, and the chorus is the same strum pattern, it's just the E minor A. So E minor, and that's really it. The song's very repetitive, so you can just repeat that same chord progression, strum pattern for the chorus and or verse, depending on what part you're playing. And I would just play that same strum pattern all the way through. It might get kind of boring, and you could spice it up if you want, but that's it won't be sort of fit with the recording as much. But you're free to do what you want with the song if you want to make it more exciting. I hope you guys enjoy.